Hi, my name is Arun Kumar. I am coming from Sirumuge. I am studying BE Mechanical Engineering at SNS College of Engineering. I came here to discuss about the case study of DESMODROMIC valve technology in DUCATI's Panagale MotoGP bike. In this bike, the valve train of this bike is different kind of technology. Normally, all type of traditional valve timings are based on the camshafts, which are only available for one valve, one camshaft. But in this technology, the valve are operated by two valve technology, two cams, and one is intake and another one is close. One is intaking the fuel supply and another one is closing the valves. Introduction. When a mechanism operates at a high speed, its dynamic behavior is deeply linked elastic flexibility and mass distribution, as well as the effects of the backlash and the joints. As the components motion alteration may occur, causing a mechanism could could, dan- could damage the parts and items of the engine particles. Proper execution of their tasks, high acceleration and dynamic stress and leaves may very powerful engine output. Early fatigue failures and the high levels of the vibration and noise may rise in the production of the power, since they may occur the serious function of the doubles such as jump and bounce. These technologies are mainly invented by the Mercedes Formula 1 race cars. These cars are very powerful using a 1.5 liters engines. These engines have a cylinders of V8 and V16. These engines produce very lot amount of powers at 1000 horsepower at 20,000 rpm. Due to its very small displacement, it can drive more than other engines. These engines produce more power and these are the main causes for its failure. These failures are mainly caused by the valves and valve camshafts and timing chains. These problems are uh, rectified by changing the valve train. These valve train are changed by using the DESMODROMIC. Desmo means moving, dromic means engaged in the same pot. These technologies are very critical to operate and these have very wear and tear because it have a raving point of more than 14,000 rpm in a 1000 cc bike. In a liter class bike, these technologies are not even takes place in another Kawasaki, Honda, Suzuki's and another Japanese bikes, but German Ducatis are northern. In 1980s, 450cc Ducatis is the most fastest 450cc in the segment. It can go above the 250 km/h in 40 seconds. Thank you.
I am A. Vigneswaran, coming from Annur, studying SNS College of Engineering, B Mechanical Engineering. I am talk about study consumer stratification towards Royal Enfield bikes with special reference to Apollo Enterprises Swam Goa. Introduction. A motorcycle may be defined as a self-propelled engine powered to vehicle, wheeled vehicle, a steam valipede built by inverters, swiveled heads, roller may be centralized non-motorcycle. The parent customer is the center point of all the marketing activities. The objectives of the markets have shifted from maximum of profits to maximization of customer satisfaction. Business firms not only retain their current customers but also increase their market share by satisfying customer through high quality after sales service. After sales service availability is a critical deciding factor while choosing an automobile. The two-wheeler industry is facing new challenges: globalization, individualization, digitalization, and increasing competition are pressing the face of the industry. In addition, increasing safety requirement and voluntary environmental commitments by the two-wheelers industry have also contributed to the changes ahead. Size is no longer a gradient of success. Only those companies that find new ways to create value will prosper in the future. Driving the most luxurious bike has been made possible by the stiff companies in the automobile industry in India, with overseas players gathering the same moments as the domestic participants. Every other day, we have been hearing one but some new launches, some low cost bike, all customized in the manner such that the common man is not left behind. In 2015, the automobile industry is accepted the seen a growth rate of around 9% with the decline that the auto industry in India has been hit badly by the ongoing global financial crisis. The automobile industry in India happens to be the largest in the world, followed Japan, South Korea, and Thailand in 2013. India emerged as the fourth largest export of automobiles ever. India automobile manufacturers have spread their uh, obstacles globally. MNCs are making more investments in the Indian automobile sector. Thank you.
As per we have discussed about the two motorcycles of Germany, these Royal Enfield and Ducatis are from Germany. These motorcycles are legendary in all the periods of the century. Thank you. Have a nice day. இருடா